Morning class 9. Today we will start how we can solve the numerical problems based on moles of molecules. Moles of molecules. 1 mole of molecules contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules, and mass of these number of molecules is equivalent to their molecular mass. It means mass of 1 mole of molecule is equivalent to its gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass means mass of one molecule in gram. For example, mass of one molecule of water, thus represent the one molecule of water. It has molecular mass 2 into mass of hydrogen 1 plus mass of oxygen 16, and that we get 18 grams. Similarly, mass of one molecule of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide formula is CO2. It contains one carbon and two oxygen atom. So molecular mass of carbon dioxide is mass of carbon is 12 plus mass of oxygen is 16 into 2 because it contains two atoms of oxygen, and we get 44 gram. That is the mass of one molecule of carbon dioxide. Similarly, if we will find out the mass of one molecule of sulfuric acid, sulfuric acid formula is H2SO4. It contains two hydrogen, one sulfur and four oxygen atoms. So its molecular mass is 2 into mass of hydrogen plus mass of sulfur plus 4 into mass of oxygen, and we get 98 gram. When these molecular mass represent in grams, then it is called its gram molecular mass, which is equivalent to the mass of 1 mole of molecules. And how many numbers it contains? 1 mole of molecules contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. It means the mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules is equivalent to its gram molecular mass. From this we getting three formulas. One is 1 mole of molecule means number of molecules is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Mass of 1 mole of molecules is equivalent to its gram molecular mass. And third formula we have gram molecular mass molecules means how many molecules? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Fourth formula we get, that is number of moles of molecules is equivalent to mass of substance in gram divided by molecular mass of substance, and molecular mass of substance is also called its molar mass, which is in gram. By using these formulas, now we will solve few problems based on moles of molecules. First question is here, convert 22 gram of carbon dioxide into moles. Atomic mass of carbon is given 12 unit and atomic mass of oxygen is given 16 unit. We know that mass of 1 mole of substance is equal to its gram molecular mass. So, gram molecular mass of 1 mole of carbon dioxide is equals to 44 gram. And also we know that the formula of number of moles of carbon dioxide is equals to mass of carbon dioxide by its molecular mass in grams, or that is also called molar mass. Mass of carbon dioxide in question, it is given 22 gram, and molecular mass in gram, that is 44 gram. So 22 by 44 we get 0.5 moles of carbon dioxide. Now second question we have, what is the mass of 0.5 moles of water? We know that mass of 1 mole of substance is equal to its gram molecular mass, and gram molecular mass of water is 18 grams. This 18 grams mass is the mass of 1 mole of water. So mass of 1 mole of water is 18, therefore 0.5 moles of water is 0.5 into 18, that is 9 grams.